Welcome back, fellow adventurers. It's time to gear up and explore the exciting world of bike security. In today's video, we are diving into the world of cycling safety as we present the 7 best bike locks for 2024. Whether you are an urban explorer, a casual cyclist, or a biking enthusiast, having the right bike lock can make all the difference in keeping your prized possession safe. We have carefully curated a list of the top-rated locks available and will be diving deep into each one. Before we kick things off, don't forget to check the product links in the video description below. So, without further ado, let's secure those bikes and hit the road with our top picks for the best bike locks of 2024. First up, we have the Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 Bike U-Lock. This heavy-duty anti-theft bicycle lock is a force to be reckoned with, featuring a 13mm hardened max performance steel shackle that resists hand tools, bolt cutters, and leverage attacks. It's like Fort Knox for your bike. But that's not all. The Kryptonite Evolution Mini 7 also comes with a 10mm by 4 feet length security cable, giving you that extra layer of protection. Worried about losing your keys? Fear not! Kryptonite's Key Safe program will ship your first 2 keys for free globally in case they mysteriously disappear. What sets this lock apart is its anti-theft protection offer, which provides up to $2,500 reimbursement if, against all odds, your bike does get stolen. Plus, it includes a flex frame U-brake kit for convenient multi-location U-Lock transport. This lock means business. Next on our list is the Velo bike lock, a remarkable choice that combines durability with convenience. Its 14mm shackle enclosed in a hexagonal PVC cover resists corrosion from the elements, making it a robust all-weather option for protecting your ride. Locking up your bike with Velo is a breeze thanks to the 10mm by 1.8mm cable that lets you secure your frame and wheels quickly. The lock comes with 2 keys, ensuring you always have a backup handy just in case. And with its easy-to-install brake kit, you can take your lock with you everywhere. What's more, Velo offers a 3-year warranty, a 90-day money-back policy, and 24-hour online customer service for that extra peace of mind. Your satisfaction is their priority and they have got you covered. For those who seek a blend of convenience and security, the Velo bike lock is a fantastic choice. Don't miss out on this one. Our third contender, the Seatylock FoldyLock, is a folding bike lock that combines lightweight design with heavy-duty security. Awarded for its innovative and patented design, this lock offers a strong defense against thefts. With a 3-year warranty, the Seatylock FoldyLock is built to last. Its flexible, foldable design opens to an 85cm chain-link circumference, providing versatility and excellent protection. And here's the best part, it won't rattle during your ride thanks to the premium frame mount. You can trust the Seatylock FoldyLock to keep your bike safe and sound whether you are in the city or out exploring the urban jungles. Are you tired of lugging around heavy locks that weigh you down? If so, the OTTOLOCK Sidekick Compact U-Lock is the answer to your prayers. This compact and lightweight design effectively deters theft without becoming a burden. Weighing in at just 750 grams, it's a breeze to carry, fitting comfortably in your backpack, bag, or even your pocket. Plus, the high-quality silicone coating ensures your bike frame remains scratch-free. Versatility is its middle name. Use it alone or in combination with a secondary lock depending on your needs. And with 3 keys, you'll never be caught off guard. It's a fantastic option for kids and new riders too. For those who demand top-notch security, the OnGuard Bulldog Medium DT U-Lock steps up to the plate. This lock features a 7-inch shackle combined with a 4-feet braided steel cable, allowing you to lock your bike to a standard parking meter post without removing the front wheel. Its new Z-cylinder is bump-proof, pick-proof, and resists pulling or drilling, earning it a security rating of 65. And with 5 laser-cut keys, including one with a micro-light, you are all set for any situation. For maximum security and convenience, the OnGuard Bulldog Medium DT U-Lock is the way to go. You will have peace of mind wherever your bike takes you. When it comes to versatility and portability, the Titanker bike chain lock shines. This anti-theft chain lock is not only secure but also easy to use and carry. With its 8mm thick security heavy-duty chain links, it's made of heavy-duty steel known for its cut resistance. Plus, the protective cloth sleeves ensures your lock chain won't rust or scratch your bike. While it's an excellent option for safeguarding your bike, keep in mind that no bicycle lock is 100% secure, especially in high-crime areas. The overall length of the bicycle chain lock is about 3.3 feet and it comes with 2 keys for added convenience. For a secure and portable option, Titanker bike chain lock is your go-to choice. Our final product in this lineup is the Hiplok U Lock, offering maximum security with wearable convenience. Featuring a 14mm premium hardened steel shackle and a double deadlock mechanism, this lock ensures your bike stays put. The anti-rotational locking feature prevents an unwanted tampering, and the rubber shackle coating protects your bike frame from scratches. The Hiplok Clip Plus Ride Carry system allows for easy transport while cycling, ensuring you always have your lock on hand. With a Sold Secure Cycle Diamond rating, 3 replaceable quartz keys, and a lifetime warranty, the Hiplok U Lock is a reliable choice for your bike security needs. And there you have it. We hope you found this video both informative and exciting. Remember to check the product links in the video description to grab the perfect lock for your bike on Amazon. But before we sign off, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which bike lock caught your eye. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow cyclists. Stay safe on your cycling journeys and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy riding!